In part 2 of the 6.1 video, we're going to be taking a look at a word problem. So the first step in any word problem is to read it. A souvenir shop sells about 200 coffee mugs each month for $6 each. The shop owner estimates that for each 50-cent increase in the price, he will sell about 10 fewer coffee mugs per month. So we need to clarify some of our variables. And so our 50-cent increase is going to be our independent variable. So we're going to say x is equal to each 50-cent increase. Now, what does that mean? So, for example, x equals 2 means two 50-cent increases or $1 increase. So that's what we're talking about. We need a system of equations going on here, and we're really talking about income is going to always be equal to our number sold, how many you sell, times the cost. So that's kind of our general equation. Now, what does it mean in this system? Well, our price per mug, so our cost, is equal to 6 plus the 50 cents each time we raise the price. And our number sold, our sales, is equal to 200 minus 10 times each time we raise the price. So 200 mugs are sold for $6 each. He will sell 10 fewer for every increase. So those two expressions represent our income. Well, if we go and we take these two items and we put them into this, our income is going to become something like 6 plus 0.50x times 200 minus 10x. And if we FOIL this, we'll see our quadratic function income of x, where x is each 50-cent increase, will become something like 1200 plus 100x minus 60x minus 5x squared, combine like terms, and I have 1200 plus 40x minus 5x squared. So there's the equation that I'm going to be working with. So now we can talk about our max and min and how we would graph. So our y-intercept, and if we go back to our graph, our y-intercept, reorder this, income of x, standard form, minus 5x squared plus 40x plus 1200. This is open down because a is negative 5. So that means there's going to be a max value. And if you think about sales, we're going to start with whatever our sale is. We'll reach a peak and it'll start to go down because items are costing too much. It's this peak point right here that we are interested in. How do I maximize my profit? Well, our y-intercept is 1200. That's this point right here. I make $1,200 if I have 0 price increases. So if I sell it at $6, I make $1,200 a month, no price increases. But everybody wants to make a little more money. So let's go ahead and find our intercept. So again, that formula of the opposite of b is equal to 2 over a. Well, in this case, my b is 40 over, my a is negative 5. So I have negative 40 over negative 10, which is 4. So at some point after 4 price increases, which remember that's really $2 higher, 4 times 50, I will make my maximum profit. Well, what is that maximum profit? So what is my income when x is 4? So I substitute 4 in for x. And when I work all that out, I end up with a maximum profit of $1,280. So I know that I can sell my mugs for $8 and I will make $1,280. If I charge any more, my sales start to decrease. If I charge less, I'm not maximizing my sales. And so that's how quadratics can be used in a real life function.